Hello there, fans! Today, I'm going to give you 5 quick tips on getting the most out of your microwave body warmer. This includes tips for keeping you safe and making sure your product lasts as long as possible. Tip 1. Always read the heating instructions carefully before use, as they may vary from product to product. It's very important that you don't overheat the warmer, as this could cause serious injuries. This includes trying to fully reheat the product before it's cooled back down to room temperature. Tip 2. Place a small glass or container of water in the microwave with your wheat bag to help keep it moist and prevent the wheat grains from drying, which will reduce the risk of charring. Tip 3. Ensure the microwave turntable is working properly to ensure that the warmer rotates freely and that the heat is evenly distributed. It's important that you do not leave the warmer unattended while it's being heated. Tip 4. After use, leave your wheat bag to cool fully on a non-combustible surface, such as a kitchen worktop or a draining board, and then store in a cupboard or other dry environment away from direct sunlight. Tip 5. Most body warmers are fragranced with lavender or an alternative scent, which will diminish over time. As long as your wheat bag is otherwise good to use, you can revive the scent by adding a few drops of essential oil after heating. This could be lavender, or my favourite, eucalyptus. So, there are my 5 tips. Remember to follow these carefully and read the instructions provided to get the most out of your warmer. Go to hotwaterbottleshop.co.uk for more information, including tips on using our products, relaxation, and easing those aches and pains.